Before I ever even got a 3D printer, there was one file
that I used to dream about day and night. The Benchy, of course. You see, every beginner video mentions the Benchy. I just assumed it was a rite of passage. But after I got my printer and set it up, jumped into other files that were more exciting and never actually ended up making one. That is until now. Some of you might have thought my TPU Benchy was for calibration.
Surely it must be new, because I don't ever do that calibration shit, okay?
It was actually for a bigger project that I'm working on. I had a lot of mishaps along the way, and I definitely had to trust the process on this one. Finally, in the end, it came together, and this is one damn sexy Benchy if I do say so.
But I'm curious, have you ever printed a Benchy yet?